shit. Oh shit. Oh. Damn. Oh shit. Yes, Drix. Drix is killing it today, yo. Like a pretty good match, huh? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh my god! Drix is too dirty, yo! Yo, Drix can leave my bitch alone, yo. Woo! Go home! Go home, robot, go home. Jeez! Can't take down robot though. Come on, retard. Need to win this shit. Oh shit. That down smash is too fucking deadly. Down smash again. Easy! Easy! You failed it, but it's still pretty nice. Woo! Rob staying strong. Oh shit! Fuck yo! Woo! Drix still hanging on. Oh! Nice one by retard. It's a duel now, yo. Oh! Oh! Fail! Fail! So what happened there? They desync so they don't sync together? Oh, that's fucking sad. Yeah, how do you desync on purpose? Are you trying to spare?
That's one way. There's so many ways of still not.
Oh, there's so many ways, eh? Alright, stages, boys. Yes. Come on, my track. Nice. Yo, when I play, I'm turning that one to full. I don't want to hear nothing else. Yo, I feel like someone pissed Drix off now. You missed some dangerous shit, eh? Yeah, man. But he lost, though.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, yo, he desynced and fell. Yo, yeah, you missed the sick recovery, yo. This guy saved his bitch, yo. Like, his bitch was about to die, he's like, nah, not today. Like, woman. Drix, yo, it's not a combo video, eh? Oh my god. Oh, Rob, you're so tight. Whoa.
You didn't miss. Let's come have 3 stars.
Both have 3 stars. Man, take a stand over there, yo. Personal TV, yo. Oh shit. Easy. Easy, brother, easy. Oh. Matt's not having that today. Yes! Woo! Nice! Oh shit, guys. Give him the back here, yo.
Oh no.
Oh, come on, dude. You're lucky, guy. You're lucky. Nice.
Yeah, look at you. Game and watch. The first round my C-stick was broken though. You win that? No, I lost it.
Ooh.
If I did beat him. Go with this way, so I could dance on
Nice. It's a fucking dirty match, guy.
Oh, you missed it. That's so close.
Oh shit. Woo! He's not down and out yet. Jesus! This guy does not want his bitch to go. Yes, brother, that's so sick! Let's see what happens, yo. Easy!
I don't like that. The cheer is done. You might as well just say it.
Oh my god! Nice DI, nice DI. Oh fuck, you can still win it. Oh shit, he's not down and out, yo. Yes, Drix! Come back, retard, come back. Oh! Nobody wants to fucking die!
Really? Oh man.
Nobody wants to fucking die!
Who does want to die? Yeah,
The Beyblade.
Yo, trust me, the Beyblade. Oh shit, take that, retard. Easy! Yes, Drix! Alright, yo, it's a duel. Don't fail this time. Oh shit. Oh shit! Oh, that's good percentage right there, yo. Oh my god! Yo, Matt, don't go down like this. Don't go down like this. Yes. Yes. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yo, this is Ice Climbers at their finest, yo. Nah, man, I don't know, yo.
Wow.
Sleep.
Is it 1-0?
It's 1-1.
That's a fire for sure.
3.
It's a semi-final.
Yeah, so still 3.
Man, that was a fun game, right?
That was good enough. Huh? Huh? No, I did one match with Brawl.
Did you get to make bug?
Huh?
What?